Hello and welcome back to Patient Point of View. My name is Gayla Guthrie and I am coming to you from Kansas City. Thank you so much for returning for my second post. Today marks my launch of the second portion of my blog, which is my health superhero recognitions. So just quickly by video, I wanted to just tie everything together. So for those of you who have either read my first post or have watched my welcome video, you know that my motivation for creating Patient Point of View is to help with the understanding and treatment of sacroiliac joint dysfunction, or SI joint pain. It's a form of low back pain that I have struggled with for the past 13 years. And so that is the primary focus of the blog, is to provide information and to share some of my experiences to help those of you who have this particular type of pain, and for people in the health and fitness industries who are interacting with either patients or clients who are presenting this type of low back pain. So that is the primary feature of the blog. So there will be continuous posts that are more informational in nature. But another really important component and another big motivator for me to do this blog is to use it as a way to recognize and give thanks to the many people who have been instrumental in my personal health journey and have helped me to get to this particular point in my recovery, specifically from my SI joint pain. I feel that showing gratitude and paying it forward is an extremely important part of getting well and part of that healing process. So because I have such a long list of people that I want to thank, I've just decided that this second post was the perfect opportunity to just segue right into that portion of the blog. So for those of you that are looking for the more informational posts, don't worry, hang tight with me. Coming up next will be a discussion on how to get a correct diagnosis for SI joint pain. And then immediately following that, I'm going to start talking about treatments. So there's plenty more to come there. But for today, I want to just pause and take a moment to recognize my first health superhero. Now, not to be a spoiler, if you'd rather read the rest of the story below, totally fine. I'm not going to go into all the details by video, but I did want to formally recognize my husband, Stephen, as my first health superhero. Now, I totally get it. You're probably thinking, wah, wah. Of course you picked your husband. Could you be any more obvious, Gayla? And I get it. I really do. But Stephen is so much more than my spouse. He is my very best friend, my confidant, and every so often he will remind me, maybe just in passing as we're getting ready to go to work in the morning, maybe I'm having kind of a crummy day, or he's just feeling extra lovey-dovey, he will look at me and he'll say, Gayla, never forget that I am your biggest fan. And because of that, there was just no question that Stephen needed to be my first health superhero. So we have known each other for over 20 years. We met as college freshmen and became very close friends, and our relationship has just evolved over time. And again, the rest of the story is down here, so I don't want to spoil it for you. But Stephen, I just want to personally tell you how much I love you, how much I admire and respect you. Thank you so much for being such an important part of my life all of these years, not only through the injuries and the craziness there, but just helping and wanting me to be my very best. And for all of the small and large things that you have done over these last, especially these last 13 years since my back injury, it's just hard to say in words how instrumental and important you are in my life. And I just love you to pieces, and I'm so lucky to have someone who believes in me and continues to only want what's best for me, both personally and professionally. You've never given up on the idea that I could be healthier and happier, and you've seen me through so many difficult treatments, procedures, the surgeries. I mean, it's been crazy, and I know it has been a strain on our marriage at times, and it's been difficult for you to watch me struggle. And there's just really no way that I can repay your kindness, support, love, and laughter, other than to continue to work on getting well. And I can't wait to see what the next 6 to 9 months looks like as I continue through my own recovery from my most recent SI joint fusion surgery. And I certainly couldn't do it without you, and I wouldn't want to. So just know that I love you with all of my heart. My relationship, my marriage, and my friendship to you is the most important thing in my life. And I hope that I can continue to earn and deserve the love and affection and loyalty that you've given to me. So congratulations on being my first health superhero. I'll stop embarrassing you now. For the rest of you, please check out the rest of the story below. There's also some really fun pictures, so you don't want to miss it. In the meantime, be well, and until the next time that we connect through the blog, take care. Bye.